Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of the amazing Samsung Series 5 Plus AddWash washing machine. It's got AddWash, so you can add missed items during the wash cycle. It's got EcoBubble technology, and it's got 22 different programs to choose from. I'm gonna head off to the test lab so we can take a closer look. I'm in the test lab, and here we've got the Samsung Series 5 Plus AddWash washing machine, and the first feature we're going to talk about is AddWash. Now this feature means that you don't have to interrupt a wash cycle to add any forgotten items. All you need to do is open the AddWash door and pop it in. Now to demonstrate this, a member of a crew put on a wash earlier, and conveniently they dropped an item of clothing. Over here we've got a stray sock. Now I'm sure we can all relate to that scenario where between the washing basket and the washing machine we've dropped an item of clothing. Now how AddWash works: pause the cycle. That click means we're ready to open the AddWash door. We pop in our dropped item, close the door, and carry on with the cycle. Now this feature isn't just great if you've forgotten a stray item like that sock, it's also great for adding in extra softener or if you want to add any delicates into the final rinse cycle. The next feature we're looking at is EcoBubble. Now this technology is exclusive to Samsung, and it works by mixing air, water and detergent together to create bubbles, which wash your clothes better at cooler temperatures. And it means you're going to save money on your energy bills. The final thing that we're looking at is that this machine has 22 different programs to choose from. Now selecting the right program for your wash load using the washing machine is easy. You turn the dial and you can clearly see it on the LCD display. However, you are also able to control the machine remotely using your smartphone via the SmartThings app. If you'd like to find out more about this Samsung washing machine, you can visit us in store, online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.